Greetings, everyone. A client reached out to me and had a question about alarms that were not popping up in Act Premium Cloud. Now, I do use Microsoft Edge, and it's what I recommend to my clients that they use for working in Act Premium Cloud. Just my experience has been I like it the best. You might have a different opinion, but my opinion is Microsoft Edge. So I'm going to talk to you about this situation based on Microsoft Edge. If you have a question about a different browser, feel free to reach out to me. But in this case, I want you to observe right here, my contact, I scheduled a call to be made to me, just as an example. And what I want to show you is one of the simplest things you can do to sort of make this thing disappear is this is a window. Behind this is a window in Edge. So if I happen to click over here anywhere, that first window disappears. So where did it go? Well, if you look down at the bottom, on the toolbar down along the bottom, you'll see when I put my pointer over Edge, there's two windows here. And if I click on the alarms window, it's back. Again, if I click away from that and click somewhere on the contact, that disappears. Really what's happening, it's just hiding behind this first window. So one of the first things to look at, if you think things are disappearing, make sure it's not just hiding behind the first window by going down to the icon at the bottom for Microsoft Edge, observing the windows that are open, and clicking on the appropriate window to see it. Very simple, but it's just a little trick that can happen. So in other tutorials, I'm going to talk to you about some pop-up settings that typically when you first start using Act Premium Cloud, you got to tell Microsoft Edge, hey, let these windows pop up from this company, the Act website. We trust them. We know who they are. It's not some malicious ad. It's one of their tools built within the software. So I'll show you that in a different discussion. Okay, my friends, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My name is Tony Holtz, and be well. Bye now.